wishing you all a wonderful day. I'm back once again to share another creative adventure with you. As some of you might already know, I've been getting into the world of DIY projects lately, and today I'm super excited to show you something I poured a lot of time, effort, and love into. Presenting my handmade miniature gazebo. It's crafted entirely from simple materials like barbecue sticks and popsicle sticks. Yes, the kind you'd usually toss away after a snack. I've always been fascinated by the amazing things people can create with these humble little sticks. Every time I watch DIY videos, I'm blown away by how creative and detailed the projects are, and I thought to myself, hey, maybe I can do that too. So I took on the challenge, and let me tell you, it wasn't as easy as it might look. It took several days of planning, gluing, trimming, and redoing parts more than once, but it was all worth it. There's something so satisfying about seeing your vision slowly come to life, one tiny stick at a time. In this video, I'll be showing you the highlights and final look of my miniature bamboo-style gazebo. I really hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Whether you're a fellow DIY enthusiast, someone who loves miniatures, or just curious about what you can do with a little creativity and patience, this one's for you. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support truly inspires me to keep going and share even more fun DIY projects in the future. Thank you so much for stopping by and being a part of this little crafting journey. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions for future builds. See you in the next video.